Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jason here. Fix this damn camera angle. It's making me look short. Your boy Jason here, coming at you one more again. What I'm gonna be doing is unboxing some JConcepts aluminum shock caps. Before I go into that, though, all the other kits, like your Kyosho, Low-C, they all come with these aluminum shock caps. All of them, except Associated. And I'm a die-hard Associated fan, but I feel they cut corners on this kit, y'all. The plastics, each hand tighten screws, you strip them damn things out. And people I talked to with other kits, like especially that Kyosho RB 6.6, they said the plastic just is top notch. Their bearings, their diff balls, Kyosho stuff is top notch, and they're not the only ones. You know, I heard that with Durango. Hearing that with Yokomo. It's just, you know, I ain't knocking on the B6, I ain't knocking on Associated, but it just seemed to me like, especially their bulkhead here, you know, that's some beat up plastics here, you know. But I don't know. So with me looking at all these other kits, and they all, you know, have got this stuff, you know, like aluminum shock caps, I was just like, alright, it must be something there. You know, maybe these are wearing out. The plastic shock caps here are wearing out. You know, I know the shock bushings on the B6 wears out like crazy. I've had this kit for 4 months, and I've had to replace all shock bushings, bulkhead, replace some peels, you know, just to be on the safe side. At the JConcepts, just be on the safe side, replace the peels. But all the stuff was just loose, like getting sloppy. So you know, just replacing. What else I had to replace? Oh, shock towers. I break the B6 shock towers like crazy, front and rear. Broke both front and both rear. But anyway, enough rambling. This ain't a rant. We would get on with the unboxing. Zoom this down. And I ordered these from Liquid RC out of New Hampshire. And they got it to me quick. They always get my stuff quick to me. No, I'm not sponsored by them. No discounts, no nothing. I buy these with my own money, and I pay full price for everything. So don't get that in your head that I'm pumping stuff because I'm getting it for free. Nah. 100% non-sponsored here. And I paid like I want to say $22 for. I got all four. Here's my invoice here. Pack and slip. Ooh. Alright. Here they are. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see. Good gosh. Let's see what all they come with. Ah, cool. each one's individually packed. That's that one. And you get the sticker. Like I said, I got 4 of them, front and rear. And like I said, I mean, all the other kits have these aluminum shock caps, except Associated. And it just makes me wonder, you know, the Associated cut a lot of corners to keep the cost of the kit low, or to have a higher profit margin. I don't know. But you got company like JConcepts putting these out. Now Kyosho and all the other companies, Lotus and all of them, have these aluminum shock caps, and there must be something to them. You know, from a durability standpoint, shop performance standpoint. Yeah. They come, I'll open one up here, set this to the side. He gives you 2 screws, 2 bushings. That's awesome. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, 2 screws right there, 2 bushings, and it gives you 2 seals in each pack. So if you lose a screw, you got an extra one. If you lose a washer, you got an extra one. You lose an O-ring that goes inside the cap or whatever, I mean over the shock, you got an extra one. That's awesome. That's quality. Feels good. Gosh. Feels great. Here, I'll zoom in to get this right, and zoom in to show you what all. There you go. I'm gonna zoom in to show you what all came inside one bag of the package. Ooh. Fix it right. Yeah, you got your cap, 2 O-rings, 2 washers, and 2 screws. And that's the hole on the other side. Oops, sorry. And that's what comes in one pack. So and then the other pack is your cap. Then you got another pack. That's my like I said, I got four shocks. So this comes in one pack, and the caps here come in another pack. So he gives you, sorry, my correction, he gives you 2 O-rings for 2 shock caps, 2 washers for 2 caps, and 2 screws for 2 caps. So he gives you the right amount. He's not giving you anything extra. These are JConcepts, and as I say, you know, they feel good. They feel really good. Just look trick too, you know. See it does. That's just etched. The little JC is just etched. But stay tuned. I'm gonna put them on my car. Hey, what's up, guys? Coming back at you. I got the shock caps installed. See, here's my old plastic shock caps for the B6. I got the JConcepts aluminum shock caps installed. I didn't use the JConcepts O-ring. I just wasn't fooling with that, so I just kept the stock ones on. But yeah, I'll zoom in here. Let me get this camera off this tripod. And I'll zoom in here for you. Sorry about that. But yeah. It looks pretty trick. Like I said, all the other kits like Low C, Kyosho, I want to say Yokomo and Durango, they all have these aluminum shock caps. And I don't know, it just, for durability, I don't know, I just kind of, ease of mind, I kind of like these aluminum caps. I first saw these on Jay Serona's car at the JConcepts race, and I was like, wow, look pretty good. No, I'm not sponsored by JConcepts or affiliated with JConcepts. Just get his products from time to time, and I pay for them. Like I said, I pay for them out of my own pocket, my own money. Front view here. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's the shock caps. One thing I can say is when you finger tighten them with your fingers, it's about snug as tight as you can get it. So it's hardly any need to even use a wrench or the tool to tighten your shock caps. I mean, you finger tighten them, you're good to go with these JConcepts shock caps. But yeah. Well, anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I'll come back at y'all later. Bye.